guys, and it's me, Sky Egg. My name is Ainsley, but so I might be a tornado forming right now. And I'm scared. I'm just an 8-year-old, and we never had tornadoes here. I mean, Thunder Bay is not. It's supposed to be staying. It's just a summer thunderstorm, and if you guys want to see, I'll show you. I'll show you right now. Let me put my camera on. This is rain. My mom's talking about a tornado. Sorry, guys. And I left my Chromebook at home, and I thought I should have thrown it. I went from school. I am so scared, guys. I don't know what to guys. Video for now, so I'll post in like when it just uploads. Okay, guys. Hope you got this notification. Once you subscribe and hit that like button if you're scared of a tornado, guys. And I'll let the comment section below say #tornado warning is scary. Guys, thanks a lot. Bye. I'll upload the next video and when this one's uploads. Bye.